give me you. What a time.
Ako na ang apo ko. Ang apo ko'y very happy. Aldrin. Napakaganda ng ngiti ng aking apo.
Mais ka.
Hey, Frankie. What's up, Frankie? You look very
Roxy, what
happy.
can you do?
I'm not a loser.
Where is Sindri?
I'm
There is
so
Sindri.
happy that your
Where is
decision
Sindri?
is final. I am, for me, the last lap.
Ang huling halak.
Frankie!
Yeah, I
Ibig
mean,
sabihin.
pwede ko nang ligawan. Oh, maganda.
Sindri, come here.
Cindy. Cindy. Hoy!
What happened to Sindri?
Nakita lang si Frankie.
Sindri, ano na ang nangyari na?
Kadali lang. Cindy! Hoy!
Naku!
Cindy.
Sindri, what happened to
Cindy, wake up. Cindy. Cindy. Hey, what happened? Cindy, are you okay? You stand up, Cindy. Cindy, wake up, wake up. Not now, Cindy.
Sindri, wake up!
Cindy.
Sindri!
Buhatin mo, Frankie.
Sindri,